morning, people. Good morning. What's it, morning? Is it morning? It's still morning. It's about 11 o'clock. Had a nice lie in. Had a late one last night doing some other stuff. Yeah, quite buzzing at the minute because you're on a new stand. You're on a new stand. I've invested in a new stand and it's brilliant. Like the camera angles I'm going to be able to get now are going to be so much better. Like just from a better angle rather than from being at the floor or up high, stupidly high. And also doubles as like a little selfie stick kind of thing, and yeah, handy. But I'm in the Midlands, as you already know. I've got my brother's wedding. That's not until Saturday. It is Thursday today. So I'm going to go park up on a campsite next to where my brother is moored on a canal boat. Yeah, because obviously I'm going to be leaving my van parked up for a bit, ain't I? So I ain't going to be around my van. I need to park it somewhere so I can go to this wedding. I want to know it's safe, do you know what I mean? So last night I got bombarded with loads of little bugs everywhere. I've done my ceiling and I was like, what is this? It's disgusting. I thought there was some sort of infestation or something going on. But yeah, obviously I'll come back up to the Midlands, so I've got a few bits been delivered, which is a bonus. So this is one of the things I want to get done. Probably not, don't know if I'm going to do it today, but this is on the agenda of stuff that I want to get done. So my theory, because I've got this fiberglass roof on my van. Fiberglass roof on my van. So it's hard to screw down into stuff, so you'd have to nut and bolt it if you're going to do it. Who's beeping? But yeah, obviously I want to run cables up to the top of my van and this and the van with a fiberglass roof. Trying to screw into it is just a pain in the ass. So yeah, I want to run the aerial. There's my alarm. I'm being distracted left, right, and centre right now, ain't I? So I've got an aerial that I got delivered, which voila, right, which I'm going to go put that on this back right bar on the end is the plan. Roof rack bar, that is. But I want to run the wires through the roof, and I want to do multiple wires at some point, so I don't want to be doing separate holes in my roof. So I've seen a few people do this. I'm not going to take rap for people that do this. Yeah, you get a gland like that, similar to that, and go through the middle, through there, and then through my roof, and then tighten it down both sides, and then with loads of silicone around there, bosh, right, and then because obviously you can seal it up with the whole lid, it's all weatherproofed. But at least then I can run some cables through the roof, up onto the top to do all this stuff. So eventually I'm going to have some sort of floodlights around the sides. Obviously I want the aerial going in, so that'll fit perfectly through here. Yeah, and some other little bits and bobs. But another thing I did get as well while we're here, which I might do actually in a minute. I'm curious. So this roof vent hasn't got the mesh in, and the reason why it hasn't got the mesh in is because usually it has it on the front plate here, and I don't like that. I thought it was ugly, and because I'm quite tall, obviously I'm still sleeping over a bit here, I like to stand up in these vents. But obviously that's not good because now I haven't got nothing in there so the bugs can get in and out. So I bought some mesh, right? It's about four sheets of it in there. My theory is if I get this, I know it's too small, it's the wrong size, it's just what only thing I could find without going OTT with it. But if I put one to suit, no, it has to be like that, isn't it? Yeah, it has to be like that. I've got 4 sheets in it, so I can make something work anyway. So I'm just thinking if I get them, basically that's what I'm looking at. Something like that, and then there's little screw holes. I can put some little screws in to hold it in. I'm not entirely sure how well that's going to go, but we can always give it a go, can't we? I've got some other little bits and bobs. Just little cheap stuff, just to make the van a bit better, you know? Well, think ahead. But anyway, let's get the coffee on the go, and then we'll start the day. So I made like a template, right? Which, you know, you could try and measure this and just make a template. You know, make use of the cardboard that the bit came in. Do you know what I mean? So my theory is, obviously these are not long enough. I probably could have got a bigger size bit, but I didn't, did I? Didn't. Too lazy to measure. Just went, that'll do. That looks roughly about right, and it's not really right, but I'll make it work like I always do. Oh well. But it's my first template. So if you can imagine, there's going to be one bit this side, and then that should go that way as well. Yeah, boom. And then all I need to do is put one bit of strip down that one side. What I need to do now is just put the first bit, put it in there, and then I'll put this bit on and then that bit on. Do you know what I mean? I might have to drill some of these out to get some more fitting screws, but I'll see how it fits. It might even be alright, you know, because there's one there, one there, one there. We'll see. It's getting very warm in here. Let's open this door. Breeze. Breeze my van is a right tip. I don't really care either. Right, so don't judge me. Right, let's get some metal cutters and see if we can make that work. I don't know. I also need to get all this stuff off my cameras and put them onto my hard drive because my brother wants me to film some bits when I'm at the wedding, so. Where are my keys?
And you would think with all the tools that I do have, I'd have a nice pair of cutters. Now, unfortunately, that's not the case. So I'm trying to work with what I've got here, and yeah, these ones are not working. So let's try the big red ones, although these are quite blunt anyway, from the years of torture. Through mechanicking, they get used as not just cutters, they get used for everything else as well, you know, pullers, all sorts. I think I've even trimmed my nails with these at one point.
Try normal scissors, maybe? Can't find me good snips, man. I know I've got a pair somewhere. Oh, normal scissors for the win. Look at that. Remind me to never always go for the expensive tool first. Go for the cheap scissors first, Joe. Oh, I was trying to be clever, you know. Thought, you know, get the big tools out first. Doesn't always work. I just blunted my scissors. No, I don't work. Come on. You fucking bellend. Don't trust me, wear gloves when doing this because you will cut yourself, as I have a couple of times, but still haven't done my lesson, put gloves on. There's one bit. Here's number 2 bit. See what I mean? No, see a little bit to go across there. Well, maybe a chunkier bit, just because make it work. Might have to do it in 2 pieces though, just be a pain in the ass. Boom, I think I've done it. Right, now I just need to find some nice little screws to go in there. Little ones. Have I got enough? I don't know. I don't know. I've got marker pen all over the side. Great. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm quite impressed with that. You know, that's a win. Look, still got headspace. If you can hear a beeping horn, it's because it's a little razor thing going around the farm that I'm parked nearby, and it's just chasing all the cows around the field. But look at that. Still works on the old button, twisty thing. Oh. No buggies getting through there. Right, let's get packed up and head to this little campsite and get set up. Because I think the weather's good, I might try my awning out. Because that's one thing I haven't really tried yet. I did try it on the stag do a little bit, but it didn't really work because it was so raining. It was just I'll just put it away. So forget it, not having it, right? But yeah, let's get packed up, get rid of my rubbish, and then let's make a move. Oh. What a mess, what a mess. Right. Let's make a move. Let's get to this little campsite, get set up for the weekend. I'm there till probably Monday by the looks of things. Got a breakware sensor light flashing just randomly. Little bugger. Go away. I know it's just them wires. I think if you're a long time subscriber, you'd know just why that happens. Stupid wear sensors on each wheel. And winner, well, I say winner, I actually had a complaint with the company who bought the fan off. You know, the fan, little fan up here, as you remember. Yeah, they were fucking useless. I ended up just going through an eBay claim and getting my money back. So I went with another company and then bought another one. Coincidentally the same fan, but it works. It doesn't overheat the cables like it did before. And it's got 3 settings of blastness, and it's brilliant. I mean, I don't think it's going to be that brilliant when it's like stupidly hot, because it'll just be blowing hot air in my face, but anything's better than nothing, eh? Anything's better than nothing. Looks like we're going in that field.
Now, it's nothing crazy, but oh, there we have it. Now, all I wanted was a bit of shade. This is going to come massively important when I go over to Portugal. There's some little tweaks I need to do here and there, but nonetheless, happy days. Look at that. So let's get inside set up and get a cider out. The sun is out. Let's enjoy it. And this is why I don't use add-on microphones. Well, the whole next bit is literally no audio, so yeah, unless you can lip read, good luck to you. So I'll probably just leave that one there, people. Thank you for the support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to keep it real, keep it safe, keep it true, and I'll see you lot in the next one. Ta-da. And in the next video, I have 2 showers in 1 week. I also put on a fancy suit. I also drink too much Guinness that, oh, did I remember it the next morning. And dance my heart out. Now, I'll catch you lot in the next one. Ta-da.